Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Business and Wealth Strategy, the podcast where smart entrepreneurs build lasting wealth. I'm your host, Karen Newton, and today we're diving into a topic that's not only close to my heart, but absolutely vital for your future success in the online space. We're talking about brand you. What it means, why it matters more than ever in the age of AI, and how you can start pivoting your business right now to build something authentic, sustainable, and deeply connected to your unique voice and value. Whether you're just starting or you've been building your online presence for a while, this episode will help you understand how you are the most important asset your business has. So let's dive in. We're living in a world where AI can write blog posts, schedule your content, build your websites, and even analyze your customer behavior. It's efficient, fast, and it's powerful. But here's the truth. AI isn't you. It doesn't have your story. It doesn't have your energy. It doesn't have your lived experience. It doesn't know what it's like to build something from scratch while juggling family life, the self-doubt, or the big dreams that keep you awake at night. That's where brand you comes in. Your brand isn't just a logo or a color palette. It's your presence. It's the way you make people feel. It's your values, your voice, your vulnerability. It's those little moments, the behind the scenes, the stories, this didn't work, but here's what I learned type of honesty that AI can't replace. In an AI-powered world, people are craving real more than ever. They want connection, community, compassion. And that's what you bring. Think about the people you follow online, the mentors you admire, the ones you keep coming back to. Chances are it's not just because they have the best tech, the slickest funnels, or the most perfect brand voice. It's because they're real. They've shared their story. You've seen their evolution. You've watched them make bold moves, fall down, get back up, and grow into their next level. And that journey, their journey, inspires you. Here's the secret. Your audience doesn't need you to be perfect. They need you to be present. Tell the story of how you started. Share what you're doing, working on. Let people in. That's what builds trust, and in business, trust is currency. If you're pivoting your business or building something new, make brand you the center of it. One of the most powerful parts of building around brand you is that it gives you freedom, because you're not locked into this niche that feels restrictive or a product that no longer excites you. Your business can evolve as you evolve. You can shift direction, explore new ideas, add new offers, and your audience will follow. Not because of the product, but because of you. When your audience connects with you, they'll support you across multiple ventures. They'll grow with you. They'll buy because they trust your judgment, your values, and the transformation you've created in their life. And that means your business is no longer just a transaction. It's a relationship. Now, let's be real. I absolutely love AI. I use it every day in my business. It helps me streamline, organize, and speed up tasks so I can focus on what matters most. People. But here's where the magic happens. AI does the back end work. You bring the soul. Let AI support you, but never let it replace the essence of you in your business. You can use AI to brainstorm content ideas, but you bring the story. You can use AI to schedule posts, but you show up and engage. You can use AI to analyze results, but you choose the next step based on intuition and vision. The future isn't AI versus humanity. It's AI plus humanity. And the brands that thrive will be the ones that balance both. So let's talk strategy. Here are a few practical ways to bring brand you to life in your business starting today. Define your core values. What do you stand for? What do you want people to feel when they interact with you? Start sharing the journey. Blogs, vlogs, podcasts, whatever feels natural. Start letting people behind the scenes. Add personal touches to your content. Share photos, stories, lessons learned. Let your personality shine through. Create a signature style. That doesn't mean visually. It could be how you speak, how you sign off, or even the phrases you use. Engage authentically. Respond to comments, ask questions, host live sessions. Make your business feel like a two-way street. And build a community, not just a following. Invite people in. Make them feel like they're building something with you, not just buying from you. Brand you is not about ego, it's about essence. It's the core of your business that no one else can replicate. In a world that's growing more automated by the day, your authenticity is your biggest advantage. So today, I invite you to lean into you. Use the tools, embrace the tech, but never forget that your story, your voice, your values, that's what your audience is really buying into. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to hit the subscribe and leave a review. Share this with fellow entrepreneurs who need to hear it. And if you're ready to build your brand around you, come and join the online entrepreneur membership community, where like-minded people are building brand you. Until next time, stay bold, stay smart, and remember, smart entrepreneurs build lasting wealth. And it starts